We bought a hoarder house, and even after getting all their stuff out, we still have work to do. This is the room everybody's been avoiding, the bathroom. Had to get in the groove for this nastiness. It was torn apart from the outside in, literally.
Y'all see we got this nasty ass toilet out. It smells terrible in here. It's choking my mouth. This is this thing.
Boy, what is that on?
That is awesome. Drain opener. Works, lasts to cut through grease and hair. I didn't buy this. This is actually free. That's why I'm using it. So I actually meant to buy the acid stuff. Liquid heat.
Let's see what we find inside this nastiness.
Hate to see me keep your eyes closed. Cause we going for the top glow. With me. All gas, let's skate. Can't find no break. If you ain't about your paper, we can't relate. Can't let off the gas. They say I'm moving too fast. We building legacy and won't be last. I make them wave the flag. I see them coming and I do the dash, but I just can't help my flow.
Now let's see if some acid can unblock this drain.
Nope. You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way.